Did you know that Constant Contact has a fully robust app that you can use to create emails on the go? In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to create an email on the mobile app. Need to download the app first? Go to the App Store and search up Constant Contact. Once you've installed the app, go ahead and log in with your username and password that you use on the website. Once logged in, you can start creating. Tap Create Email and then choose Create with Template. You can choose any template here. Keep in mind, every template can be customized. Just tap the template you want to use. You'll then see a larger preview of what it looks like. Tap Desktop to see how it'll look on a computer versus a mobile device. Then tap Select. Give your email a name and then tap Create. You're now able to start editing. Tap the individual sections to get started. As soon as you tap on something, a menu will show on the bottom of the app with your edit options. You can use the up or down arrows to move the block up or down, and click the pencil to edit the content within the block. While editing the content, use the toolbar to edit font size, bold, italics, etc. When you're finished, tap Done. While you have a section selected, you can also tap Copy or Delete to copy or delete that section. To add new blocks, tap the plus sign in the lower left. A menu will display options for additional text blocks, images, social options, etc. To change images in the email, tap an image or image placeholder and choose Replace. You can then choose either an image from your library, take a new photo on the fly, or choose a photo on your device. Need to get more granular with your design editing? Even though you started your email on your mobile device, you can move over to the desktop to continue editing. To send your email, tap the letter icon in the upper right. You can choose to send a test, send now, or schedule for later. Your campaign will save and you'll be taken to the schedule page where you can edit your subject line, pre-header, and choose the list to send this email to. When all looks good, tap Send Now or Schedule for later. And that's how easy it is to create and send emails on your mobile device with Constant Contact.